Right, so I have a given here. Right k, the equation is quadratic and nk if it's not a quadratic. So I have 4m minus 9 is equal to 0. So as you can see, the degree is 1, so this is quadratic. Okay, so this is q and q. So this is quadratic. Next, x plus 3 is equals to 12. So even if it's equal to 0 and you transpose the 12 here, so again the degree is 1, so this is linear and this is not a quadratic. So nq, then next x squared plus 1 all over x is equal to 5. So there's a rule in quadratic in equation that uh, it is not quadratic if the variable becomes the denominator. So this is not quadratic. Last we have 2 times opening close parenthesis x minus 3 times opening close parenthesis x plus 5. So let's start. Okay, first we apply the distributive property of multiplication. We multiply first. So this is 2x, 2 times negative 3, negative 6. Then we have the x plus 5, x plus 5. So applying the distributive property of multiplication. So 2x squared, then 2x times positive 5 plus 10x, then minus 6x, then negative 6 times positive 5, negative 30. So now 2x squared, like times 10x minus 6x, so this is 4x minus 30. So therefore this equation, the last equation is an example of quadratic. Again, this is not quadratic, nq, alright? So that's it.